Make sure to send you that. It could require a special procedure to fix that light, and we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those and you have a problem where you get a message on the dash that says Service Antilock Brake System, Service Antilock Brake System, stay with us. We'll explain the top reasons for that, what you need to check, and something that most people will actually ignore, and you may keep buying parts to replace, waste your time guys, and it's a special procedure that you need to apply. All that will be covered in this video today. So let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts too at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. It should work on V6, V8, size doesn't matter for that specific video guys. We have the 3.6, the little one here, but for V8 it will work as well. Now let us show you what we have here specifically on this Dodge Challenger. It was a little bit, it was in a little bit of a wreck, but it's not too bad. Fender bender, we'll be fixing it soon. Runs and drives like a champ. We drove it a couple of days ago guys, and if I turn, okay, let me go ahead and turn the light off so you can see. Okay, it says Service Antilock Brake System right there. So if you guys get that message, okay, what it means now, it could be multiple things. Now we'll explain what you need to do, why you need a scanner like that, and how to find out. But let's first start with what can easily cause that. One thing guys that can easily cause that is you will need to check the fuses for the ABS and traction control systems. Okay, you need to check fuses for ABS traction control systems. We have the videos on the channel that will teach you. That's one of the fuse boxes, but you have one hidden one guys. It will explain you have multiple fuses. You may have up to 4 or 5 different fuses for the ABS and traction control. Check them out, they will be on our channel Electrical Car Repair Live. If it's not the fuses, or in some cases it could be a bad ABS wheel speed sensor causing that code guys. And if you look right here, on every wheel you're going to have that sensor. This is known as ABS or ABS sensor or wheel speed sensor. The purpose of that sensor is to detect how fast each wheel is going. It needs it for the anti-locking brakes and for the traction control. And if that one of those sensors is bad, you have 4 of them, 4 wheels, 4 tires, 4 sensors. If one of them is bad, you will get that light on. Now, sometimes when you have a bad sensor, you may need to reset the codes in order to clear the message, because if you don't reset the code, sometimes the computer may still store them and you may still have the warning light. So always you need to clear the codes. We'll get to that in a second. You need to inspect the connector guys for the ABS and traction control sensor, the wheel speed sensor. It's behind that cover here. It's hard for me to show you, but it's right there. You can see that's the sensor connector right there. Make sure it's not dirty, it's not rusted, it's not pulled out if you drove in mud or something like that. Next, that we see often here at the garage on higher mileage vehicles, it could be bad traction control and ABS module right here. We have a video on the channel how to test one and how to replace ABS and traction control module. Something else guys, you have one device that's super important for the anti-locking brakes and the ABS and traction control, and this is guys known as a brake light switch. We're talking about that device, okay, right there. Check this thing out. This device is known as a brake light switch. That switch needs to be, even if you replace it with a new one and you still get that light, that message, that brake light switch may need to be calibrated. We will have a video on the channel that will teach you how to calibrate brake light switch, and it will teach you how to do that step by step. It's very easy, because when you press the brake pedal, it's not just on and off switch, it's a switch that actually detects exactly how much you press the brake pedal. So they're not like, but they used to be pretty simple back in the day guys. Another thing, we recommend, okay, to always use a scanner to see what the problem is, because often even after fixing guys the fault, you will need to actually reset the codes in order for everything to work correctly. And how do you do that? You need a scanner like that. This is amazing too, guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. You can check current price and features, but it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. It works on any car you can think of almost, guys. We use it daily here at the shop, and you can access every computer system. You can see read the codes for every system, delete codes, and see live data. And some of these new cars may have up to 40, 50, even 60 computers like that BMW there. That's a nightmare to work on without one of those. It's practically impossible. And we'll always recommend, okay, to connect it, okay, and we'll see how easy it's to use, and check exactly the fault. Don't guess, because otherwise you'll just keep wasting your money, guys. So that's the VIN number. We confirm with next. Still going. It's getting there. Okay, almost there. Perfect. And we're going to select Dodge Challenger. Here it's going to load now the diagnostic program, and we'll show you how easy it's to find out exactly what's wrong. We will have a video, guys, okay, that will explain how to test ABS wheel speed sensor as well, because sometimes, okay, it may be where you just need to clean them because they're not very responsive. Sometimes they can have buildup of dust, dirt, and rust as well. We go to control unit, chassis, ABS, anti-lock brakes, and here if we go now, we can read the codes and check out. Now, we lost communication with the computers due to a dead battery. The only active code that we have right now, it says active. It's right front speed sensor, the one that we showed you. It's actually, guys, defective. So that's our problem right there, you can see. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix the Service Antilock Brake System. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.